Hi everyone, I'm Siok from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to view liked posts on Instagram. Accessing your liked posts can help you revisit content you enjoyed and find inspiration easily. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can see the Your Activity option. Tap on it. Finally, in Your Activity section, tap on the Likes option. This will show you a list of all the posts you have liked on Instagram. And this is how you can view liked posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.